everyone, Rachel Manera here. I'm a Google certified trainer and a tech ed nerd. And today I want to talk to you about the power of YouTube playlists and how you can use them as an instructional tool with your students, but also how they have the ability to help you connect and engage with your community. So let's dive in and see how you can leverage the power of YouTube playlists. A YouTube playlist is a collection of videos that can be accessed and shared by one link. You can even collaborate on playlists with colleagues. Integrating playlists into your classroom can transform your lessons. YouTube playlists can be a collection of your own original videos. When you go to upload a video to your YouTube channel, you can click to add it to a playlist. Videos can belong to more than one playlist as well. You can also choose to add it to a new playlist. Click New Playlist, title it, and then choose if you want it to be public, private, or unlisted. So in the start of the school year, to help our students get ready for the start of remote and virtual learning, I created playlists of digital citizenship videos by grade level. This way, students could easily access the videos through one single link. So when I click on these playlists, if I would like to edit them and add a description to go with them, I can also choose which order I would like the videos to go into. But one of the really cool features about this is that I can use this share button right here, and I can click on the link and share this playlist with our students. Now, playlists can also include videos you find on YouTube. With so much learning content on YouTube, you don't have to make all the videos from scratch. You can create playlists with videos as additional support to reinforce concepts students are learning in your class. You can search by a topic or a subject in the search bar. When you find a video that you think would be helpful for your students, you can click the Add button and choose which playlist you would like to add it to. Again, if you need to create a new playlist, click Create New button and then title the playlist. Again, you have the options to make it public, which means that anyone can access or search for your video. Unlisted, meaning that they can only view it, but they won't be able to search for it. And then private, meaning that you are the only one that can view it. Another awesome feature about YouTube playlists is that you can add collaborators. So I'm currently working on this unit with one of my co-teachers, and we're creating this persuasive ad analysis for our students. And we're looking for commercials that are online that students can view. And I'm going to add her as a collaborator by clicking Collaborators. And then I'm going to share this link with her, and then she can add videos to this playlist that we're working on as well. And then when it comes time to share it with our students, we just have to click the share button and copy that link and post it inside of our Google Classroom for our students to access. Playlists can also help you connect with and support your families. You can curate a collection of instructional videos or tutorials that your families can reference as they work with their students at home. When our district deployed Chromebooks to all of our students, we found that there were a lot of great videos on YouTube to help families learn more about the devices. So we decided to make a playlist and share it with our community. We continue to add to it as we find new helpful tutorials. There are also so many pre-made playlists that you can incorporate and learn from. Many of the channels that you regularly visit have playlists. If you like the content on the channel, you can click Playlist to search through the playlists available. Crash Course, for example, has dozens of playlists with instructional videos that you can share with secondary students. The GEG Google Training Series playlist contains 70 tutorials to help students better understand the features of G Suite for Education applications. And then my Multimedia Learning playlist contains videos on how to create online learning materials that maximizes students' understanding. You can find links to these playlists in the description below this video. Whether you choose to create your own playlists or share ones that have already been created, integrating playlists into your classroom can help transform learning.